Hey guys, this is Lawrence with Laws of Physio, and today we're going to discuss the concept of pain. So the definition of pain is an unpleasant sensory or emotional experience associated with potential tissue damage. Everyone's going to go through pain, everyone's going to experience pain. In layman's terms, pain is discomfort when something's wrong. So you can get emotional pain when you get ghosted by that girl you like, or you can get physical pain like taking an arrow to the knee. But as a physio, we're going to discuss mostly physical pain today. So the reason this is called the back pain series is back pain or lumbar spine pain, lower back, is the most common form of pain that is around. So 98% of people are going to get this kind of pain. I've had it, you probably have it right now if you're watching this. And we're going to just go through how to get better at it. Okay, so if you look at all the photos over here, you got a lot of structures, you got a lot of muscles, a lot of bones, a lot of ligaments, some nerves as well. So back pain can be complicated, but we'll try to simplify it as much as possible. Most common form of back pain is called mechanical back pain, and that's what I can fix, or I can help you fix as a physio. So stay tuned for the next few videos and we'll go through how we can get better together. Cheers.